This is Kenzo. So today I'm gonna go through Nasdaq. This is gonna be my weekly idea. So before I continue, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is free, guys. You just like and continue. So here we can see the Nasdaq is dropping a bit. So let me just draw a trend line. A trend line like this. I'm on a daily time frame, so let me change that to 4-hour time frame, because yeah, so we can see that Nasdaq here just broke our resistance, because you can see here we drawn a resistance from here to here. Then you can see, and it was very strong resistance, because from here you can see here when it comes closer to here, it was a nice buy. Here it was a buy, even here, but here it wasn't that very close. Even here, also here, and here I think already it was Friday. Then we bought here, but later on just dropped. So what I'm seeing here now is Nasdaq just broke our trend line, and it's a very strong trend line. So what's gonna happen this week? I think if it continues to drop, it will come and test here, and maybe something like this, maybe drop again like this. It's from here, then here it will something like this will happen, I think. Let me check. It will come here, come retest. Then if you enter a sell, then you will enter somewhere here. So but just because it's a first breakout, we don't know if maybe it's a fake breakout, or maybe it's the real one, because Nasdaq, it doesn't sell that much. It does sell, but not that much. So here I'll be waiting to see if this thing is gonna go down. But just because this is my weekly analysis, it means I'm gonna go back to a daily time frame and see the possibilities. If maybe it continues to drop, where do I expect to buy? Because here it's a very nice, you can see it's a very nice uptrend. So let's see if maybe we can get something. So let me draw my resistance and support. If you can see here, we had a very nice support. So let me just draw one here. Okay, so if maybe it will drop up to here, but I don't think it will reach this point. But you know how Nasdaq drop, guys. So here I'll also place another resistance from here. If maybe it's going to drop, I'll be expecting during the week, I'll be expecting maybe let's see, a retest, then drop, something like this. I'll be expecting something like this. If it will continue to drop, it will retest here, then go down, hoping maybe maybe it will respect this support here, then buy again. Or just because we don't know actually what's gonna happen, maybe it might continue up to this point, because we really don't know what's gonna happen, because the Reddit rebellion thing on the market I think made the stock to panic. So something like this might happen. Just before we start, just have something like this in mind, that maybe if it continues to drop like this, something like this might happen. It might come here because we see here already it broke our support. So there is much possibility that it can still drop again, but when it comes back, it can come back very strong. Yes. So let me go through this again and see if maybe, so that you understand this thing very clearly. Let me just refresh this page so that it deletes everything. On my 4 hour, I just want to draw that trend line again to see, to confirm the breakout. Let's see. Obviously, it broke this trend. So the thing is, we don't know if this thing is a fake breakout. We don't know if this thing is a fake breakout. So if it's a fake breakout, I'll be waiting. We'll be waiting for it to come here on our support and bounce back again. You see, so something like this is very possible, especially on Nasdaq. It's very, very possible, guys. So we must make sure we prepare for everything. We don't have to guess. We don't have to guess this thing and just say it's gonna drop or it's gonna go up. But here it shows, we can see here, it shows that it shows here it just dropped and came and do a smaller retest and it's going down again. If you check on an hour, you can see here, sorry, you can see here, or let me go on 15 minutes. If I take this thing up a bit, you can see it came and bounced again here, and you can see here it was our resistance. So it came back and go down again. So it might be that Nasdaq this week it might sell again, but so we don't want to just don't want to just talk. So we want to rely on our analysis. So for this week, if it's gonna be a buy, I'll expect it to come here and close above my trend line here, then I can buy. So if it continues like that, if it continues to go down, I will just wait a bit. So I won't take it now, but I will just wait it to come here and break this. You can see here, let's see, because it came here and go back, so I'll just wait for it to come here and break this small trend here, then small support, then I can sell it. But at the moment I'll just wait for it. You see, I'll just wait for it to show me what to do. So this is my idea for this week. So for Monday, before, I'll also send another video for Monday before the market open and see what's going to happen, or after the market open, and maybe around after maybe few hours, then we do the another analysis, for a daily analysis, to see what we can do. You see, because after you did your analysis, we already know, maybe you know your resistance, where it can retest again. Maybe I showed, if you still remember, I showed you some strong resistance on a daily time frame. I think another one is somewhere here. It's somewhere here on a daily time frame. So please guys, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks guys. So tomorrow I'll also send another one for daily analysis and see what's gonna happen. So I'll also send another one for US 30. Thanks.